What's up, everybody? It's Crafting Heath here today, and we're playing Castle Siege. Sweet. Yeah. It's about 5 seconds. Oh yes, I'm a castle marksman. Yes, I'm a defender. Finally. Hardly never happens. Okay, where is my trusty steed? Oh my god. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! My god, that's a lot. Okay, yeah. Kill them. Let me run upstairs and shoot him. I killed somebody. Oh god, they came. They're here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta protect myself. Hey, get back. Get back. Back, son. I said get back. No. You little blue blah 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 blah, you little. Awesome, I'm a flipping wolf and I have 2 hearts. That's pretty gay. It's pretty gay. You stupid person, move. Okay, you're not stupid, you're just... What? Since I'm a wolf, can I fit through one-way holes? That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. Wolf bite to the rescue! Fail. Oh my god. We are so screwed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are just going to fail. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna fail completely. What? That's dumb. What? Where did my wolf bite go? What? Oh my god. Kill them! Whoa. My god, he had TNT on him. Hey, I told you not to hurt me, sir. Sir, Gelatin. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna block this bit off. What? Oh. No idea who you are, but awesome. Hey, look! I never knew this was here. Oh, hi, sir. No, sir. Let me through, sir. Do you only get? No, you only get one bite attack thing. That really sucks. Kill him! Kill him! What? That's dumb. Okay, let's see. Take a range on him. Oh my god. I don't think you should be saying the undead suck at this because, you know, the defenders are kind of losing. Can I change my wolf kit? That would be pretty cool. Have like a archer dog. Oh man, oh no, give me that. Any spawning in house do / kill. Well, I know what it does, but it's so funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my song. Do not sue me for singing that. Please. Fail. Alrighty. Yeah, kill him. Kill the skelly. Ninten. I killed a skeleton. Awesome. Damage. I died. Awesome. Oh my god. Oh man. Why do you always spawn with like 2 hearts? With 2 hearts. Why do you always spawn with 2 hearts? Hey look, I managed to parkour. Oh man. OMG, I stabbed a cow. Hey, dang it. Why can't I ever kill anybody? The wolf sucks so much. Oh my god. Got 3.8 minutes till the wolves spawn in, or till the sun rises. Oh my god, I pooped on them. Na, 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 na. God, my urge. Yeah, I'm dead, archer suck. Fail, lol, 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 lol. No! You freaking, did that guy just say for Narnia? For Narnia! Yeah! For Narnia! For Narnia! God. Thanks to the wolves. What? Wolves, if you spawn in the house, do / kill. No! I don't want to commit suicide. It'll say I was killed by suicide or by magic. OMG, I stabbed a cow with a gun. Can you even do that? We are completely failing. I've never actually seen the king. I want to know what the king looks like. I've never seen him though. That dude though. That guy though. That Kaido. Kaiju. That Kaiju though. Man, I can't go there. Okay, I want a way to go in there with you guys. How do I, hey! Oh, okay, we're good now. Okay, sir, help us. I want to get through. I want to see the king. It's kind of gay, but okay. Captain Waffles. Congratulations, Captain Waffles. I said your name because I like waffles. Waffles do taste very good. Fail. Oh, time to kill a skelly. Skelly! Stab! You freaking poops. Do not make me stab you in the poop. What? Okay. Oh my god. How did that guy just one hit me? Oh, it's probably because, I didn't have any of my stuff. Any of my stuff, I got no of my stuff. He gonna poop on me cause I'm a cow. And she was like, oh my god, this is my song. I am really bad at this game. I want to see the king. Dang it, that didn't give me enough time to see the king. Oh my god, it's... No! You have to let the flipping dogs back through, you piece of crap. And see, we like... Magic Scooby Boots. Scuba Boots. Fail. And she was like, oh, my stamp, I stamped a pigman. Okay, no! We must go see the king. I want to see him, he's my friend. Where's the king? No! Awesome, we got 18. Oh, we gonna win. We gonna win just cause we checked it. He's like, I don't want to burn. Nobody wants to burn, you stupid. Whoa! I was like, don't make me stab you. Undead are burning. Yes, son. No, get out of the flipping water. King Sparkles has survived the siege. Kill them all. Well, that's it for today, guys. Well, not it completely, but I'll be posting more sooner or later. And bye, peace.